Okay, I'm back. I got a pair of pliers and I yanked the Spade connector off that battery and sent the battery sailing across the box. Yep, that's how things happen. So that is quite heavy. So you just want to make one last check. 12 volts, 7 amp hours. 12 volts, 7 amp hours. It's an AGM battery, which basically says lead acid. Now I'm going to try and switch hands here. You're going to put the battery, and it is heavy, because it's lead and acid. Okay, sulfuric acid. Now, people say, oh, you got to connect this connector first, and then you got to connect that connector second. Well, okay, you can live whatever way you want to live. Okay, so positive, and I'm expecting the alarm to go off, but my wife's in the other room, and the security company knows we're swapping our battery out. All right. Come on, Spade connector. Sorry, folks. There it goes. So Spade connector on, Spade connector on. Very good. Now I can take this battery down and I can put the door back on. The door has broken. The latch has snapped off. With globalization, you're going to find that more and more materials promised as steel or aluminum won't be steel or aluminum. There'll be a mixture of steel, aluminum, and some scrap material. Yeah, this is the reality of globalization. So things like latches will start snapping on you quite easily, in fact. And that's exactly what happened here. So you have to buy the best latches, and the only way you'll know that they work is by testing them and then breaking into them. Once you've broken into a few of them, you'll know exactly how strong they are. And then you have to buy latches in a batch. How do I know all this? Because I used to work for a guy who delivered pinball machines in video games. And it was my job to break into them. So yeah, I used to lift pinball machines and video games. And that's how I got so big. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.